Hello, Shalini ji and Vineet sir. This has been an amazing journey with both of you. So today I start with a small quotation. Today is the opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. So I am Madhushri Muchal, an artist from Indore, and I have had a number of group shows and solo shows in India and abroad. During this journey of art, I had the golden opportunity to meet and connect with famous world-renowned artists like Hussain Saab, Raza Saab, and a number of luminaries. But connecting with Shalini ji and Vineet sir has been a privilege and an honor for me. Shalini ji, in your guidance, with your energy, your drive, you has helped us to grow, to meet whatever we wanted to attain in life. Your positivity, your energetic and holistic approach has taught me that all our dreams can come true if we have the courage and the will to pursue them. The Doodle Workshop is one example which has been initiated by you, Shalini ji, because I have had so many exhibitions, but this was the first experience as a workshop, and it has been enjoyed and loved by all of them who did it. And I am planning to have more such workshops in the future. You have given so much importance to community building and to contribute to society, and that has initiated into me. And I really want to, in future, I want to make a own community and contribute something to society by means of art, by making those positive and vibrant paintings which help people to get positivity in life, to get some positive and holistic things in life. I have learned the skills and tools of marketing and sales from Vineet sir, and they have been amazing. So simple tips, but they are so effective, and I will use them in my future endeavors. Thank you, Vineet sir, for your super marketing and sales tips, which will take us a long way. I am not very savvy with social media, and I plan to learn more about Facebook, Instagram, and all that, which I have learned with you all. In fact, Shalini ji made us learn these Instagram and all, and these have helped me. My daughter told me that she has learned a few things from me, like for example, reels and all. So my future plans are to have more workshops and to do more in social media, become more active in it, and to be contributing with my energetic and vibrant paintings to the community. And last but not the least, I have formed such wonderful friends. Us group is amazing, and we have met, and we think that like we have been knowing each other for years and years. So that is my
wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Truly amazing. Thank you.
With Madhu, with you came art to us. With you came the style to us. With you came the international exposure to us. So we are so proud to have you with us. Somebody who can energize a painting, somebody who can energize life, homes. Thank you so much. And with you also came a family, Anurag, Bhaiya, your daughter, and it seems that we have an extended family there. Thank you so much for being.
Thank you.